Hey there, this is Sumit here. We deal with these circulars day in, day out. Why not build a system around it so that it automatically fetches me the circulars, does the summary, sends me a notification over my WhatsApp or Slack, and at the same time puts them into my Google Drive, from where I can do all kind of technical things like doing the OCR, doing the embeddings, storing that in the vector database, and then letting me chat with these circulars in terms of the questions that I wanted to ask, rather than going through the entire PDF, right? So let's go straight to the demo. So if I could show you, let me go to my main workflow. Yeah, so this is my workflow, right? And just to set the context for you, I'm using this Google Sheet as a database to see what all PDFs or circulars I've already scraped or say downloaded and put into my Google Drive, right? This is my Google Drive folder. So I'll go here, I'll start this workflow. So it's waiting for a trigger event. So I'll trigger this webhook. Workflow was started. So now the workflow has started. So what it's doing is it's calling one of the API that I've built, getting all the PDF links, checking if it is already there in my Google Sheet. If not, then it's appending to the Google Sheet and then trying to download the PDF. And then it's sending it to Mistral OCR API to get the content, doing some processing, and then sending it to my Gemini chat model, right? Now at the same time, in another flow, it is uploading it to my Google Drive. Now there's another sub workflow that is triggered. What is that is, I'll show you. Let's open this. So pull circular from G Drive, right? So what it does is, for all the circulars, because there could be 3, 4 or 5 or 10 circulars also maybe published in a day, right? Or maybe we have to do say 20 circulars whenever we are starting, right? So it will iterate over all the PDFs that is there in my drive. See, one of the PDF is just extracted as well as downloaded and kept in my Google Drive. Now this is what it does. It refreshes the collection. So this is my Qdrant vector database where it will get stored. So now this is another workflow. Let's open this and let's see this. So get PDF to Mistral OCR, right? So what this workflow is doing is, again, getting the PDF from the Google Drive folder where we kept it, uploads it to Mistral, gets the sign URL, does the OCR, and then for all the PDFs that we have gotten, it does some setting the page. So I'll show you. So basically we are using this model embedding 001, gets all the text into markdown format, stores that into Qdrant vector database, and then uses Google Gemini embedding model to basically this is to let me chat with that circular, right? Now going back, hold on. Yeah, going back to my main workflow. Now this is done. Now my PDF is here. Now I know this circular was extracted. All right, it has sent me a notification just now. Master circular on credit facility for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and then gives me these pointers. Now suppose I was interested in this circular and I wanted to talk to it, right? So here's the chat interface. So I will say, tell me about recent circular, say this. So it says master circular on June 16th. Let's see if it is June 16th. Yes, it's June 16th. Instruction on credit facilities for SCSTs. The circular addresses all scheduled commercial banks. What else does it say? Can you give me some pointers? Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so it gives me some pointers. Record number states, brief description, credit facility to SCST, bank insisting on deposit from SCSTs, workshop on the rules of financial institutions, blah blah, right? Now let's see what if another circular comes in, right? So currently this is what the API I have built in AWS Lambda, which is only returning me first PDF link. Now let's see, another circular comes in. I say deploy. I go back to my workflow, and then I trigger my workflow again. Workflow is started. Now what it will do is, because I will get two PDF links from my API, it will process only one, right? Because one is already processed. So we'll see just in a moment here. Yeah, see, I got another circular which is on April 1st, 2025. The sequence could differ. Let's go and check in our Google Drive as well if we have gotten the file here. Okay, not yet. Let's wait to see if the workflow has executed. I think it's still executing. Upload, yeah, it should be there now. Yeah, it's here. Now we should have gotten a summary as well. See, we got a summary as well for this exposure norms and other restriction for urban cooperative banks, right? Now let's go back. So it's still processing my vectorization of the text, and then for me to be able to talk to my circular, right? So we'll let it complete. Summary we have gotten anyways, and this could be sent to WhatsApp chats as well, right? Let's see if it is still executing. It might be a bigger circular, so it might take time, but it can totally happen in the background, and anytime, because all things are stored here in the Qdrant vector database. So there were no points. There should be quite some points here. If you can see, all these points are created just now. Okay, thank you so much for taking time to watch this. Thank you.